Every year we pour billions into beauty products, trying to perfect our skin from the outside. Yet how often do we remember that our skin, the body's largest organ, craves care from within? This isn't just about nurture, it's a tale of nourishment. Our skin is a canvas, a reflection of our life's journey. Each freckle, each line tells a story. Embracing our natural selves, even with our imperfections, is a profound act of self-love. But there are days when our skin rebels, and the task of self-compassion feels Herculean. While we can't control time, our genetic blueprint, or hormonal whirlwinds, we do have a say in one crucial aspect: our diet. Today, we're peeling back the layers on skin health, exploring how the right foods can be the ultimate love letter to our skin. The heart of our skin lies in its layers, its elasticity, and the role of collagen, the architect of our skin structure. As time goes on, our collagen bank depletes, but all hope isn't lost. With the right foods, we can fuel our body's collagen production and combat the signs of aging. Protein-packed plants like beans, lentils, and seeds are the unsung heroes in the collagen tale, but our collagen strength is only as good as its protection. Vitamin C and E, the guardians against damage, ensure our collagen remains resilient. Zinc, a key player in the healing orchestra, is also crucial, found in nutritious foods like seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Hydration isn't just about creams and lotions. Certain fats, especially omega-3s, fortify our skin's barrier, helping it retain moisture. These are found in nature's bounty, from walnuts to flax seeds. Our body's natural oils, or sebum, need balance. Our diet, particularly sugar and dairy, can tip this balance. Opting for whole, plant-based foods can help regulate sebum production, keeping our skin clear. The health of our skin reflects our internal wellness, especially the intricate world of our gut. When our microbiome flourishes, so does the vibrancy of our skin. Fermented foods, teeming with probiotics, play a crucial role in this delicate balance. As we age, our gut's robustness may begin to diminish. Slower digestion and compromised nutrient uptake might subtly dim our skin's glow. This underscores the importance of nourishing our gut with a rich variety of foods and bolstering it with a meticulously selected supplement. To enhance our skin's natural glow, integrating specialized supplements into our routine is essential. Our chosen supplement stands out with its unique blend of ingredients, designed to support both gut and skin health. These include UbE&x for skin rejuvenation and collagen production, inulin and dandelion for skin defense and nourishment, bacillus coagulans for balancing the gut microbiome and enhancing skin health, fenugreek, rich in antioxidants, hydrates and revitalizes the skin, and organic Ceylon ginger boosts beneficial gut bacteria, positively influencing skin health. Embark on your journey to radiant skin and a healthy gut with our improved skin and gut supplement. Find the link in the description below and step towards a more youthful you. With the right supplement as a foundation, let's not overlook the transformative power of a plant-rich diet. Inflammation, often at the heart of skin concerns, can be effectively managed through nature's bounty. An abundance of fruits and vegetables in our diet not only combats inflammation, but also elevates our skin's vitality, elasticity, and overall glow. Remember, there's no magic bullet for flawless skin. It's a journey of consistency and holistic care. Nutrition is a pillar we can control, offering a path to not just healthier skin, but a healthier self. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If you found value in our journey today, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Until next time, nourish your skin, nourish your soul.